So just running up the Ducati now for the winter run. Sounding good. Just switch the volt meter on, 14.7, charging beautifully. Got the lead acid battery in this one, and a relatively new what's the name? Can't think of the name then. So listening for any noises, unusual noises, which I can't get. The clutch is sounding good. I did put the quiet mod in there. She's sounding good. Oil's getting around. Nice responsive throttle. She really is in high tune at the moment. Really good. Since all the work I did on it. She's not faltering now at all. You hear tick over, very smooth. Just a little rattle of the clutch there, but that's normal because it's a dry clutch. Bring the clutch in and out, and you can see the clutch move, and that loosens the plates, disengage the plates, and hence they're rattling away. Back again. So switch from the garage, I'll leave you with it. Bye!